Sometimes we capture a beautiful moment, and the second we hit stop, we regret it. Wish I had recorded a few seconds more. Filmora 15's AI Extend feature fixes exactly that. Today I'm going to show you how you can extend the beginning or ending of any clip using AI, realistically and without reshooting anything. How AI Extend works. AI Extend analyzes your final frame, colors, lighting, background, everything. Then you simply give it a short prompt and AI continues the moment logically, and you unlock way more creative VFX possibilities. I have this clip and I will drag it onto the timeline. In this way, you can add any scene in it. The video is already perfect, but I want to use the AI Extend feature to add a VFX blast in this center area. Simply click on this icon. You will find it in the latest version. As you can see, the cursor has changed. Just increase the ending by a few seconds like this. As you can see, the arrow is on the right side because we are extending the ending. Similarly, if we extend the beginning, the arrow will appear on the left side. Now we just have to add a simple short prompt here. I will type, extend this scene seamlessly. If we click on camera movement, we get many presets. I will select zoom out. Otherwise, you can also mention camera movement in the prompt. Make sure you select 1080p. I will keep it at 8 seconds because later I can trim it based on my requirement. Also check that you have already agreed to the terms and conditions. Otherwise, your final video will have a watermark. Now simply click on generate and wait a few seconds while the process is running. This is our original clip, and this is the AI extended clip. Now I will increase it according to my requirement because I selected 8 seconds. Now check the preview. The video effect is looking good. To enhance it further, you can add suitable sound effects, like the ones you saw in the beginning preview. For now, go to Effects, search for Cinematic, and simply drag the cinema bars onto the entire clips. Pro tips: keep your prompt short. Don't overload it with unnecessary adjectives. Always mention lighting and motion. That keeps the result consistent. The more stable your footage, the cleaner the output. Try both normal speed and slow-mo on the final extended clip. If you want more smart AI editing tricks like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which feature you want next. See you in the next video.